So for this semester, I'm going to be taking 7 subjects. So on Monday, I'm gonna take Labor 1, and on Tuesday, I'm gonna take Human Rights and CLEP 1. CLEP 1 is it's about community engagement by providing legal service as a student. On Wednesday, I'm gonna take Land Titles and Deeds. It's LTD. On Thursday, I'm gonna take Succession, and Succession is 4 units. So, yun yung pinakamabigat kong subject this sem. On Friday, I purposely left it vacant because I actually want at least 2 days to rest because I'm still working student, and of course, we have to prioritize our health. And on Saturday, I have 2 subjects. It's Public International Law and Special Issues on International Law. So this is the most that I will be taking since I transferred to UE. So 17 units siya lahat, and I hope that I will be able to push through and fight this semester. Last semester was really draining because I took up Tax 1, Civil Procedure, and Corporation Law all in one sem, and yun yung tatlong mabibigat na subjects talaga. I had 2 other subjects, Admin Law and Credit, and it was by far one of the hardest semesters I've ever had in law school. Sobrang nakakatuwa because I was able to pass all 3 of my subjects, all 3 of the major subjects last semester. And I'm so proud of myself because I started the semester last year as a working law student. It was my first corporate job. And for the first few months, of course, I was very disorganized. And to be quite honest, I'm not proud of my performance last semester. So this semester, hopefully, I will be able to bounce back. Of course, I'm still trying to recover from last semester because I swear, sobrang hirap niya talaga. For corporation law, we were 22 enrolled in the subject. For final exams, only 11 of us took the final exams, and in the end, only 7 of us was able to pass the subject. So 7 out of 22 is a really low percentage rate for people to pass that subject, and I'm so grateful that I was one of those that passed the subject, as well as Tax 1 because, of course, tax is not my forte, and Civil Procedure is one of the remedial law subjects that is very hard. So this semester, I'm taking mostly 2 unit subjects kasi naghahabol na ako. I really want to take the bar maybe 2024 or next year or in 2025. Of course, I'm gonna be taking my time. Hindi ko mamadaliin sarili ko because if it's my time, then it's going to be my time. This semester, I'm going to change my habits, my study habits. I'm going to stop procrastinating. I'm gonna stop intaking a bunch of cups of coffee. I'm only supposed to take 1 every day. I'm also going to wake up early. I'm gonna start bathing early. And yeah, basically just change my ways for this semester.
you.
So this is my school bag for the semester. It's a tote bag I got from Shopee. Well, my boyfriend gave it to me as a gift. And it fits all my things. So inside, I have a organizer to fit my small stuff like my ball pen, my wallets, my makeup kit, and my other things like my alcohol. And also, I was able to fit in my laptop, my iPad, and my umbrella. And over here, we have a compartment for other things. So that's where I put my fan. So it's big enough to fit, or well, it's long enough to fit a fan. And yeah, I'm so happy with this bag. It's so simple and it's just for everyday school days. So yeah, here's my school bag. So this is my new desk. I bought it last week on Shopee and it came just in time for the new semester. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick desk tour. So this is my chair. I bought it on Shopee as well. In this corner, I have my tumblers. I have my cups. This is for coffee. And here, I have my white table organizer. So this is where I keep my work ID, my pens. This is where I keep my AirPods, my eyeglasses, and underneath, it's quite a space saver because I'm able to put some things underneath like my iPad, my notebooks, and the vitamins I take every day. And over here, in the middle part, I have my laptop stand. This is a Bluetooth lamp, my phone holder, my keyboard, my mat, and my mouse. It's also a nice space saver because when I'm not using my keyboard, I can put it underneath. I have my study timer, and in this area, I have my lamp. I also have a cute plant to add life to my table. This octopus is called Squishy. My boyfriend gave it to me when we were in Baguio. And my candle warmer. And over here is a mini extension of my desk. So this is where I keep my other candles. And over here is my cable organizer. So this is where I put my chargers, all the plugs to my things on my table. And also I have my law books over here. And I'm quite happy with my purchase because this table is actually quite long in person. And yeah, it's worth the buy. And if you need a sign to buy a new table, this is your sign.